you know. While I'm here, we booked with the American Express, so you have to use, like, you have $100 credit. So I just ordered something from the bar right now. It's very, very important that you use the credit, because you know it happens to home in Monaco. You know, we made mistake to book the hotel like twice, so we only used one credit. We forgot to use the other credit, and you know they didn't credit it back to us, because you know they say it's our fault, you know. So it's very important that you use it, because what's the point of booking with Amex when you have all these benefits, you know? Yeah, it's quite relaxing, you know. You know, I see the reason why people come to Dubai, you know, for holiday. It's very amazing. Even I got tan. I'm joking though. So it's pretty unique. Have you been to Dubai? If you've been, please do let me know, you know. Maybe there's so many places that I haven't visited. Yeah, I'm going to flip the camera so that you guys can see the Soho Garden and the piano. So that's the piano down there, and there's Soho Gardens, and then in front there, that's the view or the entrance. So if you get there, you'll be able to get this amazing view of the St. Regis Tower. And there's the bar of the St. Regis adult pool, and then behind me there, that building you can see there, that's the famous 5 Palms, where all the Instagram models, the influentials, all the celebrities want to be when they come to Dubai. I haven't been there yet, but who knows, maybe next time. But so far it's our last day. We're spending this last day in the pool, then probably later I'll take you guys to Aura, so you can see how gorgeous this amazing place look like. I'll probably say it's a day in Dubai, our last day in Dubai. I want to take you guys through the whole day, like how our day is going to be like. Swimming pool, breakfast, Aura, heading to the airport, you know, Dubai business class lounge. Yeah, all inclusive. Like, I want to give you guys like how my day in life look like, you know, packing, returning back home, yeah, all that. I believe everybody does the same, you know. When you on holiday, you pack, you pack to last minute, right? And we, because the flight is 2 o'clock in the morning, we just thought, you know, let's maximize the day, do other stuff like go to Aura, because it's very, very difficult to book there. So we were so lucky. I spoke to the one of the employees of the hotel, you know, managed to get us booking. It wasn't the best sitting, but I will still be able to show you guys like 360 view of this amazing country or city. So stay, let's enjoy. I'm waiting for my is that my beer? Oh, thank you, just put it there. Oh, you know what, am I allowed to drink? Yeah. Oh yeah, let me have a sip. So I just ordered a beer, and Spencer just bought me a beer, so I'm going to have a nice sip. Why not? Thank you, Spencer. Thank you, guys. See, that's how beautiful this country is. These guys are amazing. They make our stay, I'll probably say, the best customer service experience ever. You know, I've have a few best ones like the Monaco, Monte Carlo, I mean the Hermitage in Monte Carlo, and also the Ritz hotel in London. You know, there's quite a few. Oh wow, I think there's a monorail. I don't know if you guys been on the monorail before. In my country where I was born, we don't have monorail, but I've been on, I think this is the first one, you know. It's pretty amazing. I have a lot of video. I bet you're going to watch that video in future, or you already watched the monorail video. You know, it's pretty amazing. I love things like this. To me, Born in Ghana, we don't have all these things like monorail, these tallest hotels. We don't have them, but we have like food like fufu. We have so much to offer, but you know, I'm enjoying my time. I want you guys to have the same virtual feeling as well, you know. Sometimes when I travel, I vlog. It's just because I want you guys to see what a holiday like. We've been to so many countries, but those days we just have time. We don't have cameras with us. We only have phones, and we don't care to record. But you know, now since we have YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram Reels, you know, a lot of people don't go to those review sites that much like they used to. They watch us YouTubers, you know, content creators, because we help you. We give you like a detailed guide of how your holiday is going to be like, you know. You might create your own type of holidays, but me creating this kind of content give you idea what you want to do when you get to the destination. You might want to book this gorgeous hotel by watching this video. I watched so many videos, but we decided to book this one because the price was pretty amazing. But I don't think you get that offer anymore. But if you do, don't waste any time. It's pretty amazing. Their breakfast is pretty good. I'm just looking to see, yeah, the monorail is coming. I'm just going to put a camera here so that I can see how the monorail actually look like from above. There's a stop down here by the hotel. I mean, there's a Nakio Mall. That's the next stop, which is just down here. So if you stay here, that's the best thing of staying in this hotel. You're actually by the monorail stop. That's the good thing about staying at St. Regis. Pretty amazing, right? And this is so beautiful, you know, just having a nice day watching these guys cleaning this gorgeous hotel is pretty impressive. I'm going to have a dip now. That was a good dip. Very, very needed. The good thing about this camera is it's waterproof, but I don't take the chances all the time. Sometimes I have a little dip for vlogging purposes, you know. Yeah, what do you think of the vlog so far? I've been vlogging for 7 minutes, you know, just relaxing because it's quiet. There's not a lot of people here, because when there's a lot of people, I don't want to invade people's privacy, so I try to vlog less. So what do you think? You enjoying the vlog so far? There's more monorail for you guys. Welcome to St. Regis, Dubai. This hotel is amazing. Look where I'm in the adult pool having fun. It's pretty amazing. It's about 8 something and I'm having a nice chill beer, you know. You can't afford this place. It's pretty amazing. Nice music in the background. Complete package. And this was filmed by Krisha, an employee by St. Regis. Thank you guys for watching. Until then, get off and chip. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.